This is Force 13's Australia and Oceania channel for Sunday the 4th of October, and we start off with a flood watch for the MacDonnell Ranges and the Simpson Desert up there in the Northern Territory. Cloud band is developing and moving east across central Australia over the weekend and into this week. The cloud band is expected to clear central Australia. However, minor flood warning overnight Sunday in, I think it's Mareston, and a slow moving rain band is crossing Tasmania, bringing rainfall statewide. And a strong wind warning remains in place for the upper west, lower west central coast, the south central coast, Spencer Gulf, Gulf of Vincent, Investigator Strait, upper southeast, lower southeast coast in South Australia. Flood watch has been updated for Tasmania. Minor flooding possible in the flood watch catchment from Tamai. And just going to compound the wet conditions. And the Bureau has issued an initial flood warning for the cold weather. Flooding may also develop around Richmond Sunday night into Monday. This is related to that slow moving rain band. Now we have a look at the latest instability. This is from 10 AM through to 2200 hours tomorrow. Information top and bottom of the screen. Looks like a little bit of activity for the ACT tomorrow. And my favourite, the winds at the 850 millibars level. Information is also bottom of the screen. The wind is measured in knots. This is again a developing picture. Tasmania is going to experience more severe weather in upcoming days. Later on in this update, we'll have a look at the latest models. Storm probabilities. And area east of Gillies, southwest corner of the Northern Territory. We're going to see an early start to the northern monsoon system. Severe weather warning for damaging winds also remains in place for parts of the Snowy Mountains forecast districts. Vigorous alpine winds, north to northwesterly winds increasing this evening as the slow moving cold front approaches from the west. Winds will reach a maximum late tonight, early Monday morning before easing during the day. For the alpine areas above 1900 metres, damaging winds averaging around 80 kilometres an hour with gusts in excess of 120 kilometres an hour likely during the remainder of today into Monday morning. Winds are expected to ease later Monday. Perisher Valley, the Charlotte Pass and Fred Bay. The Bureau also has in place the severe weather warning for damaging winds for the east of Gippsland, northeast, the west, the south Gippsland forecast district. Strong and gusty northerly winds contracting east today. Strong northerly winds aloft are forecast to reach the ground over the eastern Alpine Victoria ahead of a slow-moving trough. The trough is over the southwest of the state this afternoon and will begin moving rapidly eastward tonight, clearing the eastern districts early tomorrow. Damaging northerly winds averaging 50 to 60 kilometres an hour, with peak gusts of 90 to 100 kilometres an hour expected to redevelop across the Alpine region and the warning area later this evening. Damaging northerly winds no longer expected at lower elevations. The risk of damaging winds will cease early Monday morning. Locations which may be affected: the Yarra Ranges, Mount Baw. Severe weather is no longer occurring in the central and north central district, and the warning for these districts has been cancelled. And we have a look at the models. In a low pressure system, the central pressure could drop as low as 994. We'll be keeping an eye on that. Now we have a look at the latest rainfall information from the Bureau of Meteorology. This is the total forecast. The rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen, and look at that area in green. So it's going to be very wet for Victoria, but more so for Tasmania. And I think the Bureau added 3 warnings relating to the flood information today. And the last image is days 1 to 8, and look at the dark green. We will continue to bring the latest information, and if you haven't subscribed to our earthquake channel, please consider doing so. And we're also providing a continuous stream on our main channel. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information about Force 13, you can check us out on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13. You're probably there already, good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13. And if you want to rock our colors like Nathan Foy here, you can go to our store available at store.force13.com, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of the Patreon. More information about patronage and the privilege you can get from patronage can be found at patreon.com/force13, and you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or to me directly on Discord at TRIN extension 1375, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.